everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Miss Peace and I'm your go-to tutor for making learning simple, practical, and very enjoyable. If you're new here, I help students, especially those preparing for common entrance, understand tricky topics with ease. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. I was actually planning to talk about something very important. Oh, interesting. That's the word. Like how Pythagoras discovered Mungo Park. Yeah, doesn't seem right, does it? That's because in learning, mixing of facts is easy, but understanding concepts properly is what matters. So instead of confusing history and maths, let's focus on something you need, which is fractions. Fraction. Now you may ask yourself, what is fraction? What is it actually? Well, I'm sure this might not be your new time hearing it, and if this is your new time, the first time hearing it, I will explain it. Now, fraction simply means part of a whole, a part of something big. Alright? Now, for instance, let's take your body part now. Your body isn't a body if you don't have body parts. You need your head, you need your hands, your legs, your feet, your eyes, your nose. So you need all these different parts. They all belong to the whole body. One can't survive on its own. So that's what fraction means. If you have siblings or friends and you are asked to share maybe a fruit that's so small, you need to share it like among 5 different people. How do you share that one with 5 different people? So you have to divide it, and each division, each part you divide it into is what you call a fraction. Alright, in fraction we have what is called the numerator and the denominator. Alright, the numerator and the denominator. Now you might ask, what is numerator and denominator? Now the numerator, which you can call the top number, it shows the number of parts of a whole being counted. It shows how many parts you are choosing, how many parts you are counting, while the denominator, it's the total number of parts that is there in that whole. What do I mean? So for instance, let's say we have a circle. Alright, this is circle, it's a whole. I want to divide this whole into 4 parts. Alright, so I divide this whole into 4 parts. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are 4 parts. Alright, now I'm choosing just 2 parts, or less. I'm choosing 1 part of this 4 parts. I choose this 1 part, so that's my 1. And my total part, how many total number, that is total number of parts, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's the number I am counting over the total number of parts there is, that is 4. And this is what a fraction looks like, or fraction is about. So this 1 over 4 is 1 part of the 4 parts. Alright, we also want to count maybe the whole 4 parts, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 parts over the total number. Alright, and 4 over 4 is 1, so that's the whole. Alright, so that is what fraction means. The fractions, Still continuing on fraction, we have three types of fraction. We have the proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So we take it one at a time. Now for proper fraction are fractions where their numerators are smaller than their denominators. For example, any number. So numerators are smaller, 1, so we have 1, and denominators are bigger, 2. Numerators are smaller, let's say 9, and denominators are bigger, so let's say 10. Pardon the drawing, but that's that. Then for improper fraction, now we have proper, bigger, the numerators are smaller, the denominators are bigger. So obviously improper, it's the opposite, so that means the numerator is bigger while the denominator is smaller. So you can form anyone, like 4/3, 10/9, 12/7, 100/90, and so on and so forth. Now for mixed, when you hear mixed, what comes to mind? Mixed, mix things together, put 2 and 2 together, different things, like you want to mix, you want to drink tea, mix chocolate and milk together and it gives you tea. So that's what mixed fraction is. Mixed fraction, it has fraction and a whole number. So when you see a number like this, so that you have like 2, and this fraction comes here, fraction comes like this. Now this is a mixed fraction. You have a whole number and a fraction, so that's why it's called mixed fraction. So if you have any
learning is fun, everything they find. Taleta way it is sweet my mind. Where little stars are born to find. We are the future, bright and bold. At Taleta stories are told. Our minds they saw watch us fly, reaching for the big blue sky. Yeah, yeah. Taleta, the place to be.